Hello everybody, welcome back to another how tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the image feature on Samsung device with Galaxy AI. So you gotta make sure they're supported first. So from 2021 if your device is 21 onward. So this includes the S series, S24, S23, S22, and some S21 models, Galaxy Z series, the Z Fold, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and Z Fold 4, and Z Flip 4, and the Z Fold 3. Then after that, some Galaxy tablets, so Tab S9 and the S8 series. Then to access the feature, open the settings on your Galaxy device and find the Galaxy AI tab. Enable Drawing Assist, look for Drawing Assist in the Galaxy AI settings, and activate it. Choose your tool. If you're using an S Pen, you can also access the feature via the Air command menu. Otherwise, you can open Edge panels by swiping it from the screen edge if enabled in the display settings. Start sketching, begin drawing on the provided canvas, adjust the settings like background transparency to help visualize your work better. Select the style generate, choose a style for the image, so watercolor, 3D cartoon, or pop art. Then after that, you can just generate your drawing and you'll have your AI generated drawing here. There's also like a watermark on the side telling it's AI generated. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next.